Today, we're diving into the Furutech NCF booster signal L connector and cable supporter, a device designed not to enhance sound, but to reveal its true potential. At its core, the NCF booster signal L features a multi-material hybrid structure incorporating audio-grade ABS resin and NCF formulated nylon resin, aimed at damping vibrations and suppressing resonance. This is complemented by a damping mat, vibration transmission shaft, and vibration suppression wall, all contributing to a meticulously engineered design. One standout feature is its Nano Crystal Superscript 2 formula, NCF, a proprietary material by Furutech known for its electrical and mechanical damping properties. NCF not only eliminates static with its negative ion generation, but also converts thermal energy into far infrared, further enhancing performance. This formula, combined with nano-sized ceramic particles and carbon powder, results in unparalleled damping capabilities. In terms of design, the NCF booster signal L offers flexibility with adjustable cradle heights, accommodating lower position connections like HDMI and USB. At its lowest setting, it sits 23 millimeters off the floor or rack surface, ensuring compatibility with various components. From a practical standpoint, the device measures 89.8 by 66.0 millimeters at the base level and weighs approximately 130.5 g, with an extended level height of 81.4 millimeters and weight of 177.5 g. This compact yet robust build ensures stability while minimizing interference. Overall, the Furutech NCF booster signal L connector and cable supporter stands as a testament to meticulous engineering and innovation in audio technology. Whether you're seeking to optimize your audio setup or delve deeper into audio purity, this device promises to reveal the true essence of your sound system.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.